setiti esre leftover food from Miss G. Eno ena circulate amatiti so abekasa ede afon titi anope ya okwa okay FM so nene ordan nia enam so ma odwe we nyina ebaye no edi ewo hono mo nia Miss G ayama no susu se Miss G kura obetimi aye bibisa abusua yenkohwe video no emra sese ye koba na feso ni aka no ye de atoa so ede amount
50,000 cedis from the vice president.
Yeah.
It is when you're 50,000, and then along the line 3,000 biaba because 2 months there. Yeah. Why are you still asking for food from Miss V?
Now, please, Sanya UTV audio no, there was no mention of food. I just said leftovers.
Okay.
I never mentioned food. Leftovers for what? What leftovers in the kitchen? Now, I was using figurative language. Safo, minenu fi ase ye adwuma ache. Me hu chumi to me frɛ Safo. Oh, Safo chale wonni bibi kakra ho na woman ni me.
Sometimes me ma.
Ah, ono na wa kan.
Should you respond to that one to let the man kick place up?
Now, so we are madam for and we are that close. Me hu chuma me to me bisa say Charlie wonni ampesi kakra bi wo ho. Enu nkyere say me pampesi edi. Dabi.
It is just like your mother tells Charlie she must start 10 mammy lady kaba. That doesn't mean three
pepper. No.
So what exactly were you asking for from Miss V?
Fine. I was asked Miss Video. Let me Miss G. Let me roll back.
Sure.
Miss G had been to my house. At that time, I was very sick, and she had made an appeal. She presented something, and then she made an appeal because she said she has followers.
That's true.
And she is sure they will respond. Of course, they did. Enu kaho me kai say na me phone me nkwada no phone nyina say nti na me phone na me de to dwa Miss G ko US ena me wo no sending me video bi say na down for bi say omo wo iPhone bi wo ho.
Wow.
Now just the problem with the camera.
Okay.
But the phone was working perfectly. And she is willing to give it to me.
Oh, wow.
So I saw the people, I thanked them and all that.
And the phone came.
The phone came. When Miss G returned from US, Omo Bafiho or the phone no bread.
Oh, wow. Sure.
Enti na I'm still doubtful. Say she would consciously or deliberately
mischievously
mischievously do this.
Okay,
but so me hu chino so Miss G Charlie me go hospital me go check up, but the fare also say I'll do something about it. Say 200-300 no they are sending me. Nti
she will betray.
She will do this.
Okay. 50,000 cedis from
Abusia in some way in some be akeka ho na trendy wo social media so ye pa nto abusia fo ya tena se ya de ho nkomotwetwe edi ebro ye nyina ye tie ne titi ekan no mo aye Miss G edi aboa na je onji ndi pa se audio na eba bonte no Miss G ebetimi ayesa Miss G kra be kasa de fa ho se obi abeye bibi kra na enye ono ontimi enye sa so be like ye audio a course between ono na fe so eye titi ontimi enye sa Ghana fo bi celebrities ahodo na bebre na ana aba be comment say Miss G omodi Miss G hu hwamo pa say Miss G etimi liki audio we esan say papa no wa ba besra anti no Ghana for de yenim say ejetofio de oba de osan so ebesre eni sika o say vice president edemano no o de mu 30,000 Ghana cedis editor asase plot of land and o de eto and o de mu 20,000 and so ede emane ba be ma so onfa koto taxi na onfa enye adwuma emfa emmara eye efie abusuan obelive comment kama we nya atem didie aya no like no wa share so de aka ho de amaye na make out say tap send Royal Hallmark magazine JQ Sounds na face JQ Travel and Hotel and so ya semi and nkomo twetwen we de ebro abusuan kwa ba
yeah
bibia boko de
na me de achen
Miss Kalagio who my fe papa
me da so who I fe
me da se yetie ne titi e kan ye na ene audio e baaye and afa so Miss G kira wa be kire mu so no ontimi like audio bia ade na be kan e de afa ho
ade pa me da se wow we share right about now so e chiao odomi amedo ondomi so fende wa wasam ti se me konku na ye kana de pa se a we aso no menim de we a esi ko ba ma men kan me no krenchero woni se Miss Kavago me betina ha ya me naked truth na me ka me se wo da no fo ano a wo ti se me kasa kodwunso ne koda embetie me ni enyansafo ne badwemafo ene kasa enti wo nye emotionally intelligent embetie mi o me kasa so a enhwe mi o wo de ohunu ade pa platform no so de flip it ko weni ade pa mo flip it enye ono ne hwe no obehwe wa hwe no ene be ma Miss Kavago me ya Miss Kavago ye nto aso ahaya na me betena aha da ma heya
haya kunya we ya so
sit ya so ena me betena ye na me ka kire wo se papai sika no ade papa bi amfiri mu nye de emba but ye nkeka ne yie ma ye nka nko Miss G dear na we se nkofo bone sopo ena we leaky audio na we leaky audio no no kura ni nie Miss G no me huni so ya akwala
Miss G
yeah
Oso huni se oya
me huni se oya akwada
okay
nipa akoso no ni sha se di nkita ho enye nkita ho no di me sure se aba bi afiri mu ayede aba emu afiri mu aba enti minim ne enti ade na aba afa Miss G ebeka so obeliki omo conversation no eye bibi na esie na ama saade no eliki na what if say your papa kra bia you know about WhatsApp sem na bia ni nim de wo form kakra what brofo de nkyere se wonim WhatsApp mo what brofo de nkyere se wonim iPhone use de make no what say na bia eye no na bia you know nim de kakra wo form na ko distract ni chat na bia for some funny reason sometimes ko bi wo send bibi wo WhatsApp when be ba wo no forward amobi yeah so shit happens and from so wo honom e betima ba so mo mienu no and na ayesa sometimes we ko flash your phone na bibi na bia one sheni ya wo be wan say na nkofo bia have asset hackers are there yes your bibi spam if you make us be posting bibi or WhatsApp na make what check ya spam be after me WhatsApp status me say na spam no free here me check it so me baby and the free na me say me bon crofo aman here so forget em go bibi omo wo ho to forget so shit happens it's me just sure say Miss G na say Miss G swa my ferry man wanyade yes if you can't say anything nicer that is me masama meka just shut up me hwene nkomo na ekoso na emwa me emfa ababia ambra me ana wa bebisa me mwa me nya mawo ana ma ya ade amawo na after that man like if you can't just say anything I just shut up and Miss G me dem engine this so yes sir na mom se wo ye soso a afere ama na che se mo a wo de bu a papa ni na na che se ababi emfiri mu anye den amba back to wa wo hwe me metina se be kasa ye no wo twenwa no pose be ye Miss Kavago wo nya emotionally intelligent nti Miss Kavago me kasa wo nto bu ase na wo ntie wonim jaja musa Miss Kavago te se nyame adom me enumunyam kakra nti no obeye ko Who is this one too? Who papa is this one too? Who is this one too? Who mommy is this one too? Adeni ye kasa munti asem no. Won say ensema me betina ha me keke eno e na papa yi sa ye yo. On say professional beggar.
Beggar ni o mu
professional beggar. Adepa me papa wo twi taxi. Me maame wo ton kakoton bidie. Enso mu di sika ba fie. Fo ni na hene ene me papa. Taxi drivers fo ni na hene ene me papa. Enso wo di sika ba fie. Wo se titi se de wakoto car.
Wakoto taxi amani ba be ma.
Enti taxi enti mi first car ba fie. Ukona akosi kosho me papa na opon adwuma na obefie na nam esi nanim a wo hwea we check mo se nya wo classmate no adepa eya tro ni sika ni mu bi na ye yakọ school tabo dan na woti mu no eno a de bia me kasa me wo ba me ho a me tin tabo dan mu ni me ho hwe me wo ba be ye me discover girl na me be ko ahu se the girl who lives in Tabodain with insuo to ana efa na ko ne ma me ton bidie sa ton kako na ne papa chi taxi chi trotro no ni ne ho hwe na ba me dem ma me da kata so na me da me the fan papa and e di hu me ho enti hu sa wo be kam ya me ni ye be ko ni munga mu boot for boot e ye nkrase level na zongo la chichi level na sa me papa ti me de sa ade na e hwe me ahwamia manyama be yewuraba uhumia wo check ya titi den na esi wo kwan ana taxi ni enye sales what they are now
I don't know what they are now
what they are proto adepa
enti
what they chanenum spedede adepa mama yenka no ka truto ye kasa eya mamu mfa akoma ne mbata ho muntie nyansa obis be say wisdom is speaking what time means as which wisdom is speaking with three so is speaking won tell say woni uti no akoma na enya me kam nyansa sem ya betina ne ye kasa eya mu kasa ye de pe ne kasa no eya nyankopon no ma ye ka no kure no na enyo no ka kasa ye miska ba ga misia kamewu ka wo be ye no kancha hu miskava ga no wakoma jina so je nka ba now ka me pa chia na so nam nyankopon na o hye me se me besa o ma me dialogues ni nti no wono ade me nemu odom me bible me se wodi yare aponchen krakra wodi ye twa na nemu spedede adepa me wo papa te so no a won wo te se woni ni ho hye but adepa o hye ni ho so yie when your vice president ama watamske ya ma osu nya ehwa ahwa ni minister asa redraw na ofa ne back mo so esemu ara mo am promise titi chemu te vice president die no muja mo so esemu ara mo beje fans ama ya bompa ya ma minister ka ma ko hye dem ma ayo odiman pai bo ama esemu ara mo hwehwe animu munshishweni se shoemaker chalwote munshishweni mu na munti se mbe redraw a dey na mbe fans no na maybe ti o mi show bi ade na adepa wo so mi hu so wuche nipa na de what is my sweat I dey tell me hu so wuche nipa na de na me pese me redraw ndi ameye it doesn't make sense mu ye hwehwe ni mu dodo mu pani pem ade yo ya wo die na me so me nya me de ya wo lie na me so me nya me de ye ka mu ntie me ka cho se papa e wo besa aba me tna to fu se da me pa chow sika do use ni ye fa kot a diner wutim kotofie sa mini estate ye o mo build kotobi sika no fa she bibi mu bet me that koto treasury bill mpo why and every 3 months we sure say case if I say about 3 months every 3 months then kan nya bibi kakra e feel so that emma oba me metna ye se penny chira akora nyansa penny akola so betima chira penny na so wo dey we city me se metna wo te me kasa wo kasa wo di duabo be to so me so so nya me ye chira ne ye mbo me dua me wo duabo no me ka chiro wo bo me a ebeka me panta me de ye menses enti enya forget it ye too futie won we say pray for leftover so dey na nkopon say bo nyum nyamfo wo dey offer beto wo ma nkrofo be mama Adepa me kasa na wo gije me pesa spiritual attack.
Tie spiritual
attack. I don't like that. Papa no my
Mate also o time na hu ye obesan kasa bi o. E de ama me. Shodi.
Yes dear.
Waje nkyere wo ho anything.
Yo me da se. Me chia the 30 fo nyina say abring no nya daje ehwe. Titi, me opportunity. Shout out to you. Opportunity,
opportunity.
Yeah, opportunity. Last time ne asama me no enke said your kasa ne de me ne me fane so because me nye sure say Miss V ebetimi aye Miss G ebetimi aye de oye because o start say on no conversation no enye nne enye nne nso na obeka say de awaye na ase meme inti no mistake na ebetimi aba omumienu obi phone kwa betimi asai ebi ode ko say bia phone repairer enye ma no because bebre na so nkrofo phone ma wo mo try so mo be go through ahwe niema ewom muslim ye ma ye pesa de no either say lady ni nso betimi aba say fort ni nso free oba ne ho ebi na adamfo bi aba no o ma me phone na me fa nye call no wa try say or connect conversation back e ma ye pe enfifi mo pa nti sa de no o start here obetimi ohun sa de ade we na me fa no wa forward de ama no ho na de Ghana so de ye penhwehwe anim ye ka say MTN na say ye fish out ehun ba bi efiri a just second ye behu te say nyame adom Ghana abrochira ba Ghana enti minim ne enti asa o me ye due wo pa ko Vodafone me nya advert mo bia ko Vodafone ko MTN no mo fish out the person and find out say why na the audio we e ban out definitely within 1 hour ye behu. And to me, no, cause I bo to avoid all those things, no. And come on check, but me who issue be a womb, me who problem be a womb because we are there, we are labolo.
One day laboro.
Eh?
One day laboro.
As a man, I come on.
Miss Gianna said,
"Me catty."
Okay, Titi.
What I say? We are there. I are there. Oh yeah. Inti me who say and can interview na say because I are there. Oh yeah. Me need to mano ni enti ameka san because nanka me expect say nko betimi aba out credium nyame aye wadom wonya say scan dey na ese wo ye pe bibi na ye farmer life wo bi wo ho a wo pe 100 cedis e dey starting business wonya nyame aye wadom no wonya sika twetwiri du we ya wontimi fa anya bibi asa wo dey akoto ka na wo atie din no a akoto ye no wo so den ka eye ka wo betimi atoka ene na wo toka na ka ne betimi anya accident
ne ba ne so tifie bi onye adwuma nye nti otoka se sika ba ne sem dia otoka dia ma ne ba no ne ba dia ye adwuma na sika be fie
dabi se ne mani betimi aboa na kama woda ho no kra wa ehun se wantimi amo because o ma esisi o monai so na ka na wato ama no betimi dia ye adwuma no asebe na wo ka no hwe ada akola no sebe so wanko school kra na or then 1 or 2 bi womu nyina kantin katete ho so mo chense o pa adwuma asebe na wo ka na depa no kwa we ye ba kope na me meti wo obiam ama miska sa me fa enhedwa but me try my best what I say inti die na kire se sa aka na akoto na oba ne mfa nkoye to trasam enkoye masam on fa nkoye gagai oh after all ka we ye papa dia manye se square mfa ho enke se sebe wo ye pani wono na e tray nyansa me oyobi a
na wo ne senka o say ne ba ne page ma bi ye na nka sika no de better taxi kra mfa ma obi foforo no mfa nya adwuma ma no
no me to me no enka se otoka yes
na ka mfa nya den
yeah,
50,000 ne da wo 500 million ne da wo ka o pese se sika no
sika no betimi dia app business bi no one start aye say bia wontimi a wo betimi ape provision shop wo de eney wo de to save money na enkoje shop because I know ne boy den pe container bi na start hwe Ghana ha wo ho ade ayemu provision shop sika wo papa sa 5 cedi 50 pesos ne 1 cedi ne okika bo ma sika mu na obie se den definitely nkofo beba into obenya ne so ne de sen no ye no na wasampe se machine ya edi wo fufu yi nkofo Ghana for aye lazy e ba ye mo ya de mo amoye pe enubi kita be 10,000 mo kan say 20 million ubenya bi 2,000 ubenya bi na wakoto na ka wasase because untimi unyo obi abetimi movie said that time into sisi no yade a esese oye business business a obetimi enya adaje ama na ni ide akom wo to sa machine ni bia eno ye adwuma ma wo side wo so ti provision shop na wo side say sika no fine wo de obetimi atoka no e de amobi wo amede bia meka say hwe me business me fa family nto ho wo be ye business now the ye family me na e be collapse
it's true family and friends are there
enya sa de
we establish we na
jina na obefa ho ma begu na fine and there wa wuti but and then so what talk de ama oba maybe say when was the last time akola no call this obey sales that there yes
ye na ye there
it is a one fasika kra ma wuti wuni sheka che no kware me da bia me ka say papa ni obi a me bu ne papa me ade a me ti say ma no ebeti apani me nye ansa na e bia na bibi o but it is so hu say baby am ti fe edu enye de bia na mekọ abonte akosere so how long na me ayadom okita ma me bo nti ne ma na mani nto ma no
na story let's start beginning na dey start say or pesika those kind of way who kai say or kan fantini baby afa ne mbato na jeje mu omo hwe no ne
ynyina hwe ma menka no kwa ncho me ti ya me papa nhwe me ma me nhwe me eno ntwe se ma me nhwe wo me so me hwe wo me hwe wo all right
it is right now for the money hwe wo man ne also mutu
me Ghana so me papa $80
inti me bo so wo papa amfa wan si ba bia inti wo be hwe papa so wo owudi a wo ba ko hwe no hwe Ghana ye mistake ye me ya African ti ma me yisu Ghana ne ye wo no se nipa ni da ho na obra wo mu mfie o nipa ni wu pe ho na ye be kire akaka bensam eyiye ka mafa wait mi ka se mafa adaka mafa sim kwasiasem hwen kwasiasem nipa na ebre no sa time ne de ma hu I say ye me na ye na say ekọ me dan me obi abo family ene me dan me omunyina me wo fa me jije omunyina because eye fun abrewa na ebra no wo bi amfi no wenyi 155 wenyi no da ho no po bi kura sensu amanannom wenya wo munyina me na omunyina ho but owu ye ne nipa that say niti because mafa adakaka we say mafa canopy ka we say mafa system ka eye nkwase asem wo try nipa ni wo mansa wa be show na sa de we nyame kure
obidini for you
what I say for how long ne be jai sa kolomenta no ese se etimi jai sa ne ma no enya de be boa back to titi enei sika kakra me you sure say definitely obe wo sika kakra on try na kakra na aka no because me no kware me ka se me ma ne bi pana mboa
ada na woman
oh yeah bi no dia be ma
who obi anka woman adentia
Shrimfri mumba.
Sha ewiasi mo me no kware se me de be matia won udu akra to do ho ye wo wom disabled for no omo amobo ene me duru ho na amobo papa ne nani hu ade o e na ne nan so ohun hwe wo se wo de ma me 1 cedi kofo duru ho no matwam
kofo ba ko ma wo
me de be ma wo because anya ne hu sisi ne ho so wo ma me bisa se ne ma mo betina ho na mo enti mo wani wusa mo papa esresre sa de no na mo te ho se me nya adwuma anya omo ye lazy to me ne meka se ne
ma ye leftover food
yes ne ma ne ye lazy omo nya lazy omo ye no to me ne meka no ene omo ya me ni problem because me hwe sa me papa nsre sa are Gana ya bre ye won krofo bi o ha esese ye boa wom mo kroma asama mo
Mr. Bage o ka se bi amfiri mu amba
bibi amfiri mu na wonya 50,000 wanya hwe ya
asase no kwa po so to 2 nti 30,000 no di tia 1 nti aka 1 kra ontua ye asa na sika o de koto ka
professional beggar no you don't do
who dey papa mu ampa
me tell me to me se koto mini estate who dey asase who koto asase dey say
who dey to half mpo who talk to plot for what uti pay do di ye be da sometimes asase minim baby control no me hu baby oton na
currency ye de ko old currency 300 million
uko ahaya baby abi dey we kaso adom ya braha wukita o de wodi ahwe utirimu a wodi ahwe utirimu kita half plot 150 ubenya bi half plot wakita full plot utimi kita cash and carry 150 million.
Okay.
Ubenya half plot, but who kita be 200. Ubetimi enya full plot. Come on. When me akwa Toby, mini baby kwa akoto asase no. Wo de nka ho nka start na si be chime ho. Nka ubetimi papa no ye wicked. One city cry ye man. Check one city. I'm telling you. Check ye woni pe bi ho ha. Ye si osoro boa de oboa no. But no ye no hwenkyere say ye boa no. When ye sika we de akoto 2 plot for what? We are greedy. Opportunity, we are greedy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, greedy because we are greedy and we are now we. So nyame mantia some na cry ye. What's it there wakoto 2 plots?
What's it 2 plots? 2 plots. What you are one?
One or two
30,000.
Wa share.
One na 30,000.
Is out futu ofun we. Now ko ayi dodo ha uko dodo wa weni abre na ukita cash and carry 100 million. I swear, me say ubenya full plots. You are all challenging me no. Opa kita be
the area mo land boy edi.
Wo area kwa na esa wotina. Me nua ye yu baabi akọ baabi. Ye me anesa ye ti joru ha ya na me nka se me pejoru asas me ntimi me koto wa nka soa.
Okay.
Ye yu baabi akọ baabi. Hwa ma me nka ntro wo se wo fie wa obedien so edi wachi. Papa no kware me hu seriousness. Me hu ni sa say ye ma no nti ye ne de. Ye ma no nti ye ne de because of ni di break.
Because when say Mr. Bago, we say about the great Apos TVB. I fa we say ya hu issue and I shamodi so de ne de abeto so say onu kra sendi ni sika emu yedu titiru or sendi sika emu yedu and sika ode maye and nkofo so de a omo de ebeka ho no kra mpo na che papa no kra ka billion kra obetimi enya.
Okay,
aside omo twe omo de sign no kra nkofo de omo de buy kra mpo no na che say emu ye no.
Okay, the fairness. No currently say I say obofo way no obofo
you know
I can't go out.
Now almost see diamond was
obofo ka say obe like you know obe man but one man. And I yes.
Yeah, and you obofo nko. I think that brother Sami is it brother Sami or nyum to phone obi say by say say your man is kebi. Ya ma auto but things say me wia
okay.
Wo ka ye sa program mo so mo man is ka kra ne ade nti say ska na wen
Or 2 way no tie me the minimum say o ka say obofo ka say obesi
diamond
I share so obeba na saase and obofo so obesi die but wanye and I shall mod so man 5 to 600 cedis
wow
and offer the man drinks
drinks the man for police from Reno
Bosha
let's because I shall mod the any throw one
I saw them
then I'm going to say obesi da mwensi Pesa ni pemu fans no. Pesa fans no.
So what is the money bi na Aisha mo didi or person.
Na say Aisha dey o man kakra 5 to 600 cedis. O man kakra o man drinks. One man wa ye bi. Yeah, what dey make am what say. Oni pa ya dia o say ni. Na ba ku ye o ka so obesi dan. Ye pesa o. Ye wo obesi dan.
Obo phone o ka so obesi dan. Na mo bi ntwem wansi de.
We so wansi.
Obo phone do obesi. Obo phone obesi. Mami so obo phone obesi. Sister ka so obesi dan obesi.
Sister.
Shorty.
The church members what I said me mount to ma pudu I to say me mount.
Adepa.
Ma obo phone say me kan yo.
Me tina ha ka say me say daddy. Me to so am so.
Yes, me kai pa.
My bet na ha. I bet me say 32. Because daddy me to daddy me
Nyami ati dai na.
Daddy,
Every always
daddy. Me dia me bet na ha. Me ta sorry sao. Me sorry ma Kennedy Japan ko a. Na me be sorry ama. Me be sorry ama. We si dan hi. Ama ye kasa ye titi be twe na no. Fia be ye. O di duabo be to so. O so duabo enya o. Daddy, won so duabo enya o. O kasa dodo. Kasa dodo. O sa uji abo enya o. Me kasa da na agio na hosti. Agio be yimi ama. And I miss ka ba come on ye papa ye hu bi. And I'm say, hey, won kasa adam. And I refi. Me say agio asem we emeka. Na emeka near diverse statement.
But nkofo almost share ba.
Eh, Reverend obofo yesrew o de entabodan kura entabodan me pede mitimu bi no Reverend obofo mesrew pentabodan a you know obia nchen kakra obia ha kakra no we so bia ha kakra mesrew mesrew Reverend obofo mesrew pa mesrew and how do you say
Reverend obofo ka so be bibia ma wa anu je enyewe obeye why
no more sorry
me boss obi so obeye bibia ma me to me no me hu ni say so be promise so obeye
ye be si uso a
na say o da bi
ye be si uso
a fansha ye be abasha me
sorry my can say say tie ma ya da Reverend obofo ya da ni ncha
me tie say me back obi o but me can is me spiritual
ya go
me spiritual
e was see a Reverend obofo so echi daddy ti my be bubu e mu ase me sorry I'm a fans so public fans na say ya ka ko one biem kana men kan pa ko nso ni Aisha Modi we chia
Aisha Modi
Minister of Show Affairs we chia Minister of Show Affairs Aisha Modi we chia why biem
Mama Teresa we chia
why biem
na make say omo mu share no bo edos
bu body adi pa minister e fi aba ne die
regional minister Krampo
wa no ye say wa regional sika ne back no na ade wo de wuti na me kasa na beji me say empa ye bia me boy no say evadima emblem na we say obama ne 1,500 a month to say there what can we ya wo de ato paper so one ye you did not do it
me to me no me nchawa no
you did not do it
but spiritual what check is spiritual because because of the mouth
spiritual
e bia na sum wi ase no
papa no command Titi or command so it's me command ye na at the end of the day na nyame tie ni sufure e ma nkrofo be mu ma no I just want to make a say nkrofo be bla make a say o ya ye bo mo sa
sama ya na ni ye ne ya no yi from I think no yes kuma
nkrofo mpo ambo ne sa hwe sika papa we nya o kasa how long and how long to so no ni sika
Abusia yeguso ye twetwe nkomo bo modin na share like na share na comment so efa maye na make say tap send aye djuma ko bi o musi wo Europe or Canada or US so pese o send mobile money e de bag na nkwan de no ane se obefa phone no akoye Google Play Store na so say App Store no download omo app no and so say obe usho video na be bia ye show caption obo say link bi e da ho no abosa link ne so obo link ne so pe e do be ko app ni so straight no download we be so promo code no abo Adepa TV e de ahia obo Adepa TV e show wi a wo Europe e be cho €5 wo Canada and US so e be cho $10 nti koso a ne download e app no na fe so fe di ujuma bia se wo Europe wo Canada wo US a na fe so me ka o se ye wo bronya chede bi eguso a ekoso ye di bronya na wie but ye di ndi wie tap send for ye guso a chede ne ye nti se wonte app ne kan na me bohu da wuro e di ama se wo Europe wo Canada wo US so per se wo send mobile money e de bagana kwantia eno enam din kan ebobo so e de kire wo no na afi watimi use app no de send usika e de aba eye Ghana kama wabra yente wo hwe ye kra na yesanso a chow bonus e de aka ho na make out say wo GQ Travel and Hotels say fa me say wakwantie ho pepesi bia wo say wo ye bia ye full package ye be ye ni nyina e de ama kama ye ma owie na akodu ama no ne anaso abeduru Ghana ha Krampo na wo pe hotel papa na wo de utiato eno ne se be ma hotel papa na wo de utiato na ye GQ Travel and Hotel na mekanfo e de ama fa number we ne from Ghana ha mo wo eye nkran adabraka from 056 0517979 056 0517979 e wo hodum Shodi.
Yes, yeah.
For our last comment, Fato Ayetiti Dianes, na me come scavage also. Zia Tracy Boache, and so a trendy on social media. So some lady a Dawson. This Lego landlady. Shout out to Chia.
On this Lego be what Boche Munja is Lego. Now, Bab
Shodi. For our last comment, Fato Ayetiti Dianes, so Titi Diana Gina way so. On say at beginning no buy no beji sikano. Was in the danka. And the other man or the akoto assassine car. In si for last comment Fato so ho e famai
e bia si mo no kware e ba ko pe e na sebe papa titi wanyi sebe one na wo kire opportunity o se yensuso nwe afi de ba ne se
no worry
yeah se na wo kra na wo bi mo akese o Uba ye se o rent. Inti nyame ye wadom. Ena nka munya aseska we. Na me expect se nka pepe kaswa ana se ka na se pokua se new site ibi. Na wakosha we si 2 bedroom ana 1 bedroom bi kama. Na obi ehun se sika amode ma papa yi wa mabro. Na emom wotimi dia ye bibi. Na wo panimu timi ka se sika amode ma me dia koto 2 prot. Papa boko de. Boko. Sadie we enye futu ema yen aye ba upcoming because there be me I make say enye nei na me hwe me da achi bi intimisra mo mayam prayer ho afen so mayam fa family mayam toto family ajeje mo because say e bia ba ne sa ne ko so ne family mutimi hwe ne made omudu akira nka sa bre nka ne ma ebe de ebe hwe ntimi fa se futu we so na me de tu papa no mo bi no fo wo ma intimi hwe mo ma modern kola baby ase amonhwe ene titi that time na wo reni pa na wo ska ye keska me kwen say wo ma start na wo ka ho bi wotimi hwe wo ma ka bia enka lusa nti ade we nya futu ema enna ene eja some modern kola baby ase a monhwe wo na mo hwe wo ma nka ade we enka anya de enka nsi
me da say Miss Kabagel she si watching a trend watch ye 3 bedrooms apartment or wo Germany na Zion Felix ebomodin a edi akire ekotwa ho sine kakra de kire ye ne weeks a wakoto miensan o se 9 no 17,000 Ghana cedis ewo ho me ne wo kasai waye video bi nso ababeto abonten a kire se wodi sika gu fom o sika niye Ghana fo East Legon landed me no me spread sika na kire se sika kasa wa spread sika busua ye hwe video no emra sisi ya koba na afie de ne aka no ato aso
East Legon landlady Tracy Boachi nyi hu se was spread sika won from hosa no sika we nyina we bebisa se kwan ode koche ni birthday edue na ne Tracy se opeche sika nti se maame kotokuoi sika wo mu idie ono nko a enhye dem endi ti obeboa anase obeche sika no ama eye ne fans na nansen wakokopie mu ewo eye Germany na otwa ho ne fie ho 3 bedrooms apartment no ho sene kakra e de kire ye Ghana fo ode eye ni maid ekoye Ghana fo bebre na ebo na baso o sade na oye no se okọ baby o so obekọ France o obekọ Europe baby obekọ bia no ode eye ni maid no anane nani no edi na chi ede ne kọ ene Ghana fo nyame anim nukre ne omo bo na baso Ghana fo ya ade ye pa Tracy Boachi e kire se wakwakoto wig miensa bi na sa wig ne kure cost eye 17,000 Ghana cedis Ghana fo bi so monti ase na chese sa sika ye egu ho no mu na Ghana fo bi e kire betimi ato na chese Tracy no kaso oto 17,000 Ghana cedis wiga obetimi ato nti ma Ghana fo enje hu achinye sika ne hu se egu fo mo no Tracy e de kwa akwache East Legon landlady o kire ne dan anase o kire fie o se wakwa akoto no o kire se fie no Ghana fo bi se Tracy Boachi entimi ntofie ewo eye Germany anase Europe ansema Ghana fo gu social media omo eka no na East Legon landlady pese o kire Ghana fo se wo so wo sika unto eye East Legon landlady ewo ho no ma nti sika mu sika pa na East Legon landlady eye Tracy Boachi e kire eye Ghana fo ewo ho no mo sika na guo no hu se enye cedis sika na guo na enye cedis o enye cedis na kire se sika no emu eye duye pa Tracy Boachi ne hu se o spread sika e di gu fo mo bomadia na fa wani edi eye Adepa TV echi e fa mai East Legon landlady Tracy Boachi
ena da ho no sika akasa busia sika ene ye kan no wa irosa no ye kan no wa we na odi ni birthday ena no wo kan sika we na che se e ya chede kro de ba be che kekewo ene gu ho sa no East Legon landlady e kire ye se sika wo fia oye Miss Kabagel
yes dear
yes sister ya de nyina East Legon landlady
ono wa de nyina
ya de share Ghana ya de share
wa de nyina no maame wa de nyina no papa
David Ghana nyina ya de share oye Ghana mo
ana wa de nyina no maame no papa
oye Ghana de share
oye sa de fine ene onye wa de nyina
ne ya
e kan say Adepa yen ka no kore Tracy Boachi on sa da ne discussion me be ka say just when I maybe am adwe say me be pe na asem no na o po no kura na o ye nkura sese o po Tracy Boachi no ye di ni sie osimepie mini sure nipa woni ni di ago Efia Schwarzenegger sure Efia Schwarzenegger o oponi nyama o ye na wo so ye uraba sem wo ni mutu so the way we say fine dressing as a hunam kan ye de wo unim dressing wabon me say obi kan na say metimi de kan say kantamanto 1 Ghana 50 pesos be je me ho me de ye me ho wa be check ne hwehwade a metu ogu me ho no mo say yes ene sikani afa ani premeni na so obi a metin tabudan mu na ye ka say ye de ho anhwani papa no e girl yi begina ho ne de megina ho a ka no kode ho an nko be ye de Tracy Boache me yada wo pana so da me hu video be na makoma ye me ya me hu Tracy Boache bi na makoma ye me ya me si wo amu ne na danfo wo amu na ye ni ade no mpo wo de dress na enya by force na me ka say dress na yesa hunam kanka ye de wo wunim he wa ba so wani ebia wajimi enya wo be wa de say wo rebrado he me si suban chi say ni say won say we what a wig ni say
17,000.
And so we be see metimi a 200 Ghana wig no shame sister rocky me rocky no the air guy o so be hu na make say hey euphoria Brazilian Mongolian so na me ke fichire di akoto wig 17,000 now on dey o sikasa na Zion me achi me kasa menye kasa me ya na wa debi o one person ya ade a one person obeye obia person ya ade a obeye like the aura around her, she needs spiritual cleansing. Tracy Boache needs spiritual cleansing because the aura around her no is too negative. Into oka bibi kwa na provoke hatred, na provoke envy, na stir, tension. She might think say a fame, me ya bibi for trend. Jackie apia ya bibi eda boko. Nana ama ya adia eda boko. That's the aura. Positive aura. That is it. But the aura around Tracy Boache no, I don't know. She needs to sit down, analyze herself, do self-realization, do some spiritual cleansing. Also, what's me more be now when she could have fans genuinely. But I tell you, Tracy Boache, or fans na you want to some people want some genuine, or more yawu, ewo have that aura, no? It's about time. Sit your ass down. Me the sikana oka me person make one asemo. Cause you say empty barrels and they make it the most noise. Me tie dey bia me kasa me tinta budan mu cause me ni je ho. We so we East Legon landlady. E hwehwe wo shoe.
Ne dan ni shoe.
Me kan shoe, me say the shoe. Shoe lelele.
Mama mesre.
Jeshu, I saw what told that. And then I want to say, what's so special about that dino? No, let's be honest here. At the part, and then on the chest, I want to. Diana, yes, special. No, Diana, yes, special. I will charge. What am I broaching for yesterday? I broaching no, obins new bureau. Level no ye the same cause my system in such a way say dear we any betimi afford no sikani so betimi afford it's a na wo betwa unless it's for trend Tracy Boache tutunia ma ye na me miss cover girl me metina ha say no bi din kwase asem kire na me ni nipa ni mungamu me be say me yes ade ne ma but just when am I say adepa me be ye no na get way ye nkura sesam. Na ade bi obeye bia obeti ncha the person might think say you envy her. Oh, the bia moka Tracy asem. Ade na mo ye ne sa. But they see omo ye yodom no. Omo ye osa no are very careful. Say sike man hwe ni ye say euro, say you see this. Say euro, why would you do that? Me nkai ebusuafo yaw. Junior koye bi yakaka bensem wo social media yakaka bensem chileska it's not quite bro change e chile won say enkrofo around here they setting it up minimum bia owoska me be nipa no na ye koenjie bi e woni kurom ye koenjie no ho me se metik me ni nkrofo tika mu na omu bisa na sese no mu nim se me be no cause I have that thing with me maybe I mean can't just say me do baby I won't let them know say me nim wo It's me pretending yes nipa no do omunim say ye nya na free kron e cross ne ya ba ye no ba omunim say me ben no. It's obisa driver and say, hey, assume we how do you embrace the person? Or say, hey, no, you're small despite a free guy back one. A young come may sour crack, I put it to a kunida. It's a kind I was shocked. Now for fool. One more invite to mobile feel. What can some yum say me? Miss Nikas free no. Or pass up may sour crack, I put it to a kunida. And so the crew more near she. Just say also was can't speak for herself. Yeah. I wish I could tell the guy and say, "Because yakasa boy na can found." But me sure the dinam say, "Erade minka name be a boy na any." Normally with the people that must surround around him. Tracy, I mean be when you no only the people are must surround you. No more yo dom ye the ye for trend ye for trend. Setres can say Jackie appear was snow so the rubber some the class room. Say kafui down close and one was snow was the rubber some the classroom. Na mama brown snow was set classroom. It's me my class and brother room. To near my ye rubber seven and fa. No why ya secondary school for you or move yes no more pre baby no more pre or my pre na petre yo ekogum pepa no anyem onyema na wago no agine nu so bon one to boase to niema ye wo se won kasa ba me hu se kasa na won kasa no wo nkrofo burner account o mo kasa ma o eno ne o mo kwapo mo kasa ma o mo ni mo jan kasa omoni mo jase ya ka me so amakom me hu krofo na se o mo koma kwetwe se wo say just is one kasa why this nkwala for onua si asem na make no be for we emotions attach se so what do emotions attach asem na won tie nyansa asem na make ka kire no asnua me say miss cover girl me a fine girl ma itoto nyama ye ne nkama kuma na me te se situation bo acha be bibia ma be ham abekasa anya ye nipa do show video na say the obe kan say fine girl na akasa say enu kudi enko bebia enso de enko bebia o ka say branding enso me sro trace toto nyama ye eno Zion na ni tina say mangwa ya fe no unipa no oh unipa no me yi wa ma
and no buy a banana that be and miss o buy a banana
so
every na say na patch
so ka the obe kan
sika na bu ye so eni ehu ni e de sika ye hey,
ni ti sa mangwa ya fina no so ya dia. Ni ti sa mangwa ya fi.
That over so ni mu yes there.
Me ko interview go.
Bibi e fa mo. You me that say. In fact, I am on farm comment mra na mo share. The American e wo asem we mu ene say Tracy in fact sika na e bonnet dam. Because the American say one me brenye sika no. Hardly so mo be to say the Tracy no. Me kan kware. Tracy onim say me do. Me ben okra na.
Enye sika like onye juma onye enye.
No, enjema no nsi bone. Obi a wo bre wo wiase. Enye sika no. Ompeso obi kura be hu so wo sika. Because obreye ansa onya sika no. Into me di atutrisem me meyi sika. When was the last time I who say despite aba bonten abe shawaska?
No. Ukasem no. Ukasem no under the mko divert on some. Was the one was the last time you said despite?
Despite yes sir. Nana mama ground was come more than me say ye check Ghana movie industry ni ma. Say ye come man na one way wo sika e ye nana mama. Nana mama out e me show off. Enti me nim ne enti a esese Tracy de onko no me hu ni say pressure na oto ma maiwa na e ba no. Aya pressure na oto ma maiwa because I won't top pressure e ma maiwa na. Wonya ne awo ye no. Me pena sem bebre but baby ode kono ani enyan outside wow obetimi achieve fie no ba me hu afie no ade bi e wo ma yes outside wotimi rent afie na etimi become say eye wo de yes because one aya wo de obi ne wo mpre wo yes aniama we for what
just
yes time Tracy, let's be sincere. Yen cannot quarrel.
Can no sister.
Yen cannot. They are we in that time. We are so people feel say, Sikano won't brand and we.
So you be a competition be.
When you be any caption, the man I don't oh sick and how on the same.
What they try today?
No, what they did there. Share. If you are Simon, Mamma control. Yana, ye toy your home. What that's it? What and your wow, that's how they talk to pray about him. Press on autumn one time. I asked my maybe I will buy was say, and that's how we make up and you. What's my friend say? Dinah Samuel, someone.
Dinah Samuel. She said bundles on bundles.
Oh, Yama can quite some video. Sandy Council. Tracy, I love you as a sister. Namia, you are dumb. Namia, so say, Sika, we are there, and so we to me, so you're mere. Tracy, say yampa. Maybe him say yampa because my corner said me how it is. But brown was it. And so when near massa, the more now we are no many bound who so. And you need the abandon who so. Yes, oh many bound. Yes, yes, a woman say, Sikane dear. Because the last 200 million na me kwa me jiriska igume so won pass ba ya nya de denti me srawo Tracy sika ne de wanya but ho awa obetutu wa kwan enkola nya me aya adom ukita nkola nso enti me srawo to bo ase
there we see a ban in Kanska.
Yes baby I will call
no time wo no
enti onto ne bo ase
but I say Nigel Gezi e de asem biaba Nigel Gezi chira wa se wo ye sofo na se yehu se wo gina clubhouse ana wo gina bia ba wo butu tot ne 3 tot a eno chira se sa pastor no ye fake when asama Nigel Gezi kan e wo ho one ne eye adwen ana for comment for bra fefefe e fama ye e wo ho na yentie ana se yehwe video na eye Nigel Gezi kasa no ene nia okan ye mfato hu bia oye e de fa bible mu nsem ho ye hwe mrese ye koba na ye de nia ka no so ato aso de amamu
Bible say by their fruits you shall tell. When a man of God, Philip, when a man of God drinks alcohol, it doesn't make him fake. When people myopically, people out of ignorance, they are not educated, they are not lettered. So they talk anyhow, anything at all. This is fake, that is fake, that is fake. And the fake has become like a mantra to the regular Ghanaian. Every man, watch me, Philip, let me use your platform. And I know Yen goes far. I've been monitoring you. Just that I don't post things about me. So today, people have to be. You post things about Pastor Menso Tabio, about Reverend Isud Anaba. So it's one kingdom. What is good for the geese is good for the gander. I wouldn't have granted the interview, but for the way he spoke with me. So from today, people have to post me, post my works. So to answer your question, Philip, watch me, sir. When a man of God, a vessel of God, drinks alcohol, there are men of God that drinks alcohol. It doesn't make the man of God fake. When a man of God steals, there are men of God that are thieves, they steal. It doesn't make him or her fake. When a man of God womanizes or has a girlfriend or a boyfriend, it doesn't make him or her fake. Everybody, every mortal vessel has weakness. You have weakness, I have weakness. The person watching us make weakness. What makes a man of God fake is that the person has changed his covenant. We have only one covenant. We have got these fruits. It's not Jesus. Then you can say that man of God. Listen, if we say that if somebody drinks alcohol and the person is fake, then King David, we should not read the book of Psalms. Because David was a drunkard to a large extent. David was a chronic, conscious, treacherous womanizer. So those things that people Elijah was impatient, Moses was impatient, Louis, Eunice, some of them were even prostitutes. The genealogy of Jesus came from a promiscuous line of foundation. I began saying, so especially my cry is to the young boys and young girls. Listen to me, Catherine Coleman. If you have read about the God's Genoa, Catherine Coleman, the great Catherine Coleman, one of the women in time that carried healing ministry and apostolic ministry. Catherine Coleman is one of the only women that in her jet, her private jet. She was going to visit Archbishop Idahosa. Her jet entering into the traffic of Nigeria. It sees everything. Watch me. When Catherine Nkrumah enters a country, she blocks everything. She stops everything. But the pain of Catherine Nkrumah was that she had a problem with men. She has a problem with men sleeping around here. If you read more about that, there's a man, one of the God's general. He was one of the kingpins and parachikis of revival. He's called Jacko. Jacko can preach you. Jacko can prophesy to you apostolic move. But what was his weakness? His weakness was alcoholism. He died in alcoholism. That does not make Jacko fake. What makes a man of God fake? They say, wakoji edru. Edru na wakoji no. Would when you say waji edru. And I say, nyamie yachra say wakoji edru. I get what I'm saying? So let's stop condemning our men of God. Let's stop condemning. Again, I'm using the little boys, girls, because I thought that this generation, a lot of the boys and girls, they are carrying unknown curses. That is why that is why we say onye adwuma. That is why we say obre won kind, because they speak against the oracles of God. They speak against the vessels of God. The Bible says, touch not my anointed and do my vessels of no harm. So if somebody will say that, oh, this prophet, this, they don't know what it is, read your Bible well and come again. Bible say
Nigel Gezi and I did some a good hormono. Also, your software, Nessa Butota, Unuma Petesia, Unumon San, and non Teresa Pastor, no, you fake. Mr. Bagel.
Yes, dear.
But you said, Mammy Metinasi, I am yes serious.
But you're my serious.
Yes, serious.
Yes, serious.
My patron, I guess, we are soft now, no sound, on your fake.
And Baba has them never come.
And found home.
Baba has them never come.
Miss spiritual father, some year.
Should you bet my first spiritual father? Me was spiritual father and spiritual mother. Now that's also father pay. Me was mother and father. Now there are mother for so must see you trying. Now me say what you mean. Hey, don't try. For spiritual father, I was no way fair. I won the so bad mother. Who na be beat to see why I say. That yeah, kind of clear no. Me when I get my be to see my ass in my hair. Eh, nyame no clear na make. It's what I want to answer no be sheep. Spiritual father, tie. O se dey nsan no no ma.
And not just as also for my fake.
E no dey o. Be fa baby na ye. Cause answer na nyame be frɛ wo no. Na o ye man. Obi wo man so fofo ni bi o mu ye dwama. Nyame be frɛ ne dwama die. Ne dwama. Enti amfa wo se na je ko be kumkwa na onu kwa na otwetwe bi. Tina quotation ni timi fa ho no. Na otwetwe bi. Na no wan ka dwama.
Na do ye dwama.
Ni tie statement no. Ye mbe ke tu momoni hye menum. Me say so for answer na me be for bi o ha no oye kan say nipa. Oh sister, don't divert my vision. I don't know what to say. Answer na me be for no ye man. It's a bi mo ho no ma. No ye dwamai that obi so no no nsa na me bi say. Na aden na all kan san wan ka dwamai de. Cause enen san ko na na me frɛ mo asa ye mmerɛ o ye aye de. E wo ho. Obi no wo ne mmerɛ o ye dada. Tina na nkofo ye si on fanie o ye how do you say?
Na me fa the apro.
The apro or for the qualified, or for the unqualified, what you say. Into no be quotation be a fire, not to say. On one would should be like be a be. Never come cry. Yes, a bimuya crum for bimuya chama. On say papa Duncan Williams, so it's not obocrono. And you try this. And I had on Canada. On Canadian, analogy, you need to try videos, near CC, near full video, near farmer to home. What's your say? Oh, baby, Amiga. One Canadian, near to try video, no. And pharmacy, yes, say, no, me boy, Jamai, Namasima, him, we made there.
no jina dwamai
sister aden
enso oka se nsano
aden na we need spiritual problem
me you need spiritual problem
it's na me kan me say asem no kan fa baby eje na me chire mu say e wo sa cause obi wonya me be frɛ no wonya mel eje na me ka say wo dey fa alcohol ne ho nko na ya na ebi mu ayo ebi mu boy dwama ebi mu ya kromfo na mde Duncan Williams ya fato so na ozeja ono ne obokro no ye ti se mi si he ya mi ka se de bia maka se mi dan tabu dem no mi advertise me ho na nya mi ka obi akoma na obeyi mi de mi akọ ye ka ne se trouser akoma na de makọ trouser akomu is that simple esi papa ensa ne de wo moa omutwa bi da minima sofofo no mu bia omopon asori ya na omakohia wo joint we bro na we bro then the man is word on so na we nya to ametwem ye be discuss one by settle asofo for me sika asofo for yo mo ye bi o why omo ma he mu do omo de do so adepa ensane de odika we de obi kan I side with you Carter what? Mr. Carter, where did I start with you? Your spiritual father. Spiritual father. Yes. Shadi spiritual father.
Shadi, okoto say o spiritual father. Nigel Gazy, and no monsan. Nessa me trema. Me ebia na me maka say oye fake.
Okay.
But ebia unim mu seme, unim wasua ade seme. Nti uko hu say Nigel Gazy enum ensan onye fake, right?
Yeah.
Onye fake.
Mame nka. Say obi no monsan. Eno ntwe say oye fake.
Wose mu yefunu yare nti
aya mu ntwa kakra.
That's right.
Na twa kakra no eye nsempi. Say na wonom wonsa. Obi ho benom nsa no onim nsa no mai se mi o force me na o ma me nsa no
yeah bro me bro
me aya adom usipiti bia meka
so did you obe kan so
oh yeah
Onom nsa boa
me to me no yes me no nsa
na adwuma
oh yeah and ya my friend is here obi a secret me hora ma
okay
say na wonom nsa level ben na utimi no nsa do ye wo bu ho a nsa ketu abi kana no de obeje no enye eno no hunsa ensa nyema so obi no monsa ye wo bu ho no monsa but one kan cho so no monsa wo jinde sai na wo no monsa wo tie o weak point and say obi betimi ano monsa create ombo but obi be no ba ko bebo inti say de o ka say wo no monsa de insa mimi hun say ensa boni nim obi no monsa boni bi anim yes so be no monsa boni ni but wakoye sofun oye ni party sa me no mienu ye twa ya hu moja ba the same thing on so moja beba ba hu ni say in the obo ho be no monsa akogina pop na e bia o kan kwase asem obeka nsemfun bible ne na obo ho wa no monsa create but in some the bible ne nsam a e ka no bi be chemu so na ye the right way and audition inti no no monsa na boni nim but some will be no ma would be to trust some would back or report because we are no son
papa
that okay but on say and son we prophets now no son enye boni on say Ghana ha no ana say ye de enim say yekoto say osofo enum nsan obi beka say obi a ye hwe na sua no po ene wonum say because sofo betimi ache what at na say atufu say nsan no mo de enye
ese so okat as nienti ese so sofo kan
so the minute
okay martin
never brave me for 100
oh okay ese so sofo kan say no monsa because ese no bia ne level of drinking said dia LTE because me ni kapa e won nsa ho
me say
wo ma me nsa nya me ya adom na wo de ma me yesi bibi de ayi choices ho e bi e bae e na yie ya se minim no munim no ma me ketuwe bi me horo ma me secret na minim ya se me kan ya kan
ba so no na yo de
oh so omo no nom so de we krase ni nom nsa na we nom ayi na pe
nsa nom ja na yo
sa na mo me na fa me na mo kwa sa na mo ka ene jinja me ma na am se na ene de manum bi na me nom yi yesi ma me sa ene m kotu ska gu ne so ayi na se na am se we de wo say we say ye nti na dada ko fa ko me horo nsa ma ye nsem fata nti to me no nsa enye ma me but me ka say ye wo se dia wo nom nsa so wo nom nsa nti na mama for example me nom nsa enye ma me nom kitua bi a me misbehave but obu ho be nom nsa create onye hwe wan kan jo so wa nom nsa kra nti sa nipa no nsa eye ma no what you say ye wo bu ho a nom nsa kra na nimdie bi ene se dia okasa eboa
edini ye Miss Cover Girl na jegezi sisa wa brabo me pesa me ba wa sorry na de o chire die
I'm
sorry na
Sunday ye here
edini ye Miss Cover Girl MIZCOVERGIRL and all social media platform ye da mase
ye da obi biase abusia Royal Hallmark magazine second edition no e be hihye so bomodian na fa wo ho agimu e wo ho no mo first edition no e koso last year nkofo bebre na be piase no munya akwanya no e bo modwa ton de hu de wuro kama e wo ho nti second one we so eyi hu film fa numbers na egu no na wo ne eye mpanifo entwetwe nkomo mame ofosia edua wo mamu akwan hofe ono ne oba pani odi se adwumadi ewe enimti monde ya ne fa numbers no na wo ne omo entwetwe nkomo e wo ho no na me kanfo JQ Sounds nso e di amount se wo ya wedding wo ye fu no ye graduation be hia quality sound system a ebomu dia na me kanfo e JQ Sounds e di amount bomode na hwehwe omachu akwan Ghana ha mo wa enkran adabraka from 0560517979 and 0560517979 no nkomo Germany number no so ne go no betimi afa na oni mpanifo so atwetwe nkomo e wo ho JQ Sounds no na weekend bia opia fa omo na chese e ba so ekita DJs mienu se funu a ebegina ye na so 24/7 na ya bomu ama kosi se adwumadi ni nyina ebeba awieye aha na ede nkomo twetwe no edi esi Tracy Boachi ede eba mu bi Nigel Gezi nso ede ebeka ho Titi enso ede eba mu ebi ewo ho abusuan hwe now like now comment now share enso ede ka ho nti ya fa me mess ama adepa